Oracle BCEL Process Manager, DEA WebLogic, IBM WebSphere, Project Aglia, GBPM, Intelio BPMS, WWX is a dialect of XML. Integrating and automating business processes. Strategies of integration. Now these are four main strategies. Electronic data interchange, which is also known as EDI, Enterprise Resource Planning, known as ERP, Enterprise Application Integration, EAI, Business Process Integration, BPI, and Workflow. Now the first strategy, EDI, this mainly conducts e-commerce activities, but this is very expensive and large, therefore only very large companies and organizations can use this. Therefore, this is actually considered as a drawback. So, the experts are making experiments to provide a solution to this problem, relating this strategy directly more and more to XML. ERP is the next strategy. This breaks down business functions into modules. This also helps companies to control their data and systems. XML standardized data representation, keeping up with this specific strategy. XML allows high integration between modules and also between business partners across the internet. EAI, this is the third strategy. This creates and deploys middleware applications that integrate business programs, databases within a company. XML sets the standard of data representation and inter-system communication. This also enables integration and communication between business partners across the internet. This is also a key strategy when we talk about BPMS systems. Now the last one is Business Process Integration, known as BPI, and Workflow. Now these two are very closely related. Business processes can be put down as finance, sales, marketing, management, manufacturing, and etc. Workflow is actually the flow of work between people and departments within an organization or across organizations. Workflow engines actually are information systems that manage and monitor the flow of documents and the stages of approval in an organization. Now there should be a specific software to use to work with the workflow engine. That is the rule engine software. And XML technology is mainly used at this point also. Workflow engines. These provide functions to define and track documents in the approval pipeline. Integrate business processes. Automate a range of tasks in the approval process and route to the correct place at the correct time. These workflow engines also have a mailbox capability that notifies users of pending work. Now BPI, the business process integration, this consists of two main steps. This is the business process management step and also the business process re-engineering step. BPI patterns where XML becomes useful. XML greatly contributes in patterns where application to application communication is required, data exchange where XML provides a universal data format, business to business process integration where XML provides messages for this step. Technology for process integration. Service-oriented architecture is the technology used for process integration. This architecture is actually a collection of services enabling the interaction and communication between systems. This is briefly known as SOA. There are several protocols for communication. SOAP as a protocol for communication. WSDL provides interface definition, and UDDI is the directory protocol. All these protocols are based on XML. So we can see how XML plays a very important role in the business world today. XML stands for BPMS standards. Business Process Modeling Notation, BPMN. Web Service Business Processes Execution Language, that's WSBPEL. XML Process Definition Language, that's XPDL. And Web Services Choreographic Definition Language, WSCDL. This talks RosettaNet and also XML Electronic Data Interchange, XML EDI. Technologies to consume documents in XP. This is the next step we are going to talk about. This actually regarding the custom application, transform sheets, dynamic pipelines. The dynamic pipelines can be further categorized into several subheadings: Apache Cocoon, serving XML, small XML pipelines, W3C XML pipeline language, which is also known as XPL. Pipeline implementations are always done by the controller. Content management in BPMS. Content management through XML makes the organization achieve globalization, localization, and also personalization. Now let's talk about the business-to-business model in brief. This model is comprised of three components. WIDL, which is an XML application simply consisting of a DDD. The second component is B2B developer, which is a set of visual tools which create applications and interfaces. The third component is B2B integration server. This actually coordinates and facilitates the flow of information between websites and also applications. Now there are two softwares for this model. First software is SAX or SAX, Simple API for XML. DOM, Document Object Model. API is actually Application Program Interface. The above software has connections with XML directly. Industry standards of B2B. Two organizations have set standards. First one is RosettaNet. Second one is OASIS. This is the Organization for the Advancement of Structured Information Standards. For the first organization, RosettaNet provides RosettaNet Business Directory. This contains properties used to define business activities, and also another technical directory which defines products and services. OASIS provides popular portals on e-business, XML and web services. XML.org for users and designers to discuss their ideas. EBXML.org for companies to do business with each other. Cover Pages is another portal provided by this organization. This is also a collection of vocabularies, schemas and standards. Business XML standards. There are three standards which can be considered as the key factors. Electronic business using XML, XML Common Business Library and the Universal Business Language. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you very much.